How to install and set up Nova Post app for your Shopify store. Enter Nova Post APK. How to find it, please check in the video description. Enter domestic and international Nova Post contract numbers. Select the language English or Ukrainian. Fill in sender address, it can be address or Nova Post division. Select allow delivery divisions. Fill in the exact name of cash and delivery method that you use on your checkout. This will be used for shipment documentation creation. Now we have to create shipment method manually. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, General Shipping Zones, and add rate for the required shipping zone or country. If you don't see any, please add them in the markets. Fill in custom rate name. We do Nova Post Delivery. Now we need to add Nova Post widget to your theme. Click Customize. In the theme editor, go to Cart. Find division selector in Apps and place it on the page. Let's check the result. Now customers can select Nova Post parcel locker, division, or address delivery in their country. Data from the widget transferred to the checkout. Now let's check this order. At the order page, you can see Nova Post division block with selected Nova Post branch. You can change the division, create Nova Post shipment,